Doors closing. Stannah lifts.
Cheers, mate.
Doors closing. Stand back. It's going up now. Press open. You let you get in.
Thank you.
Okay. Mum's just doing tickets.
Oh.
We're doing tickets.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to go about 10 minutes. This probably is supportive as that. So. Bridge link level.
Put it running now.
Bridge link level.
Where's which body's running today?
Oh.
You are first.
Doors opening.
You are first.
You're going to be faster.
Yeah. There's our train. It's just round the bend between Christ Hospital. You're in first.
I knew you'd get the button for me.
Yeah. Which link?
Bridge link.
Not too bad. That train's here very soon.
Doors opening. Lift going down.
Doors closing. Okay, ready? See? Oh, nice. Oh. It's this side, platform 1 and 2.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, 9 Juliet says 7 still now. Yeah, 9 Juliet says 7. Peterborough. Peterborough, 701. You're right.
Oh.
701, 2, 3. There's our train here. Crap! Oh, crap, it's 4K coach.